In this video, I'll walk you through the process of adding your customers and suppliers in the Younote application. Let's begin with adding a customer. Navigate to the Sales module and select All Customers from the bottom Sales Management section. This will display your customer list. To add a new customer, click the plus icon in the top right to open the customer form page. Fill in the mandatory fields. Specify whether the customer is business or individual. Enter the customer name and phone number. Select the appropriate business classification of the customer. Let's fill in the GST details now. If the customer is a registered business, choose the GST type and enter their GSTIN number. You can also provide other identity numbers if needed. Add the customer's address and other contact informations here. Specify the preferred payment method here. Once all details are entered, click Save. The new customer will now appear in the All Customer page. Now, let's add a supplier. The steps are similar to adding a customer. For quicker navigation, go to the top menu, select Purchase, Purchase Management, All Suppliers. On the Suppliers page, click the plus icon to add a new supplier. Fill in the supplier's details just like you did for the customer. Enter the supplier's name, GST details, address, and payment method. Once saved, the supplier will be listed on the All Suppliers page. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Younote to manage your customers and suppliers effortlessly.